Buyers, bring your horses to this lovely ranch-style home nestled on a 5-acre lot in an equine-friendly woodland community of the Shenandoah foothills. Pride of ownership shows with both indoor and outdoor custom features. Hardscape walkways lead to the gorgeous wraparound porch, offering you a great gathering space. This separate side entrance leads to the mudroom. The main level boasts a leaded glass door entry to the formal living room. There's a gas fireplace, oak hardwoods, 6-panel doors, crown molding, and a custom decorative nook with backlighting. This rancher is a 4-bedroom home with 3 bedrooms on the main level. Here's the master. The main level bathroom has been fully updated with a granite counter, maple vanity, and a new tub. The freshly painted kitchen offers oak cabinetry and all new white appliances. The ample sunroom showcases vaulted ceilings, a box bay window, newly refinished hardwood flooring, and fresh designer paint colors. The solid oak staircase leads to the spacious basement rec room, perfect for game day entertaining. This family-friendly space offers a second fireplace, fresh new carpet, 18-inch ceramic tiling, a wet bar, and there's surround sound. The basement bathroom boasts an antique dresser converted to a vanity inlaid with Italian marble tiling. The floor is Italian marble, as well as the shower surround. This additional finished space just off the rec room would serve perfectly as your den, an office, a hobby room, or the man cave. This is the 4th bedroom, found in the basement. This is the laundry room, utility room combination. Utilities for the home include propane, gas, fueled hot water heater, and fireplaces, forced air central heating, and central air conditioning. The washer and dryer convey. The sunroom leads to the 2-tiered deck. Tucked in the back of the home, with ample space, it's perfect for outdoor barbecues. This fall, sit on the deck and enjoy a roaring fire in the fire pit or roast marshmallows. The home's circular driveway leads around back to the motorcycle garage or store your ATV. There's stonescaping throughout the property around the driveway, showcasing ample plantings and perennials. For the gardener, there's a raised vegetable garden with protective electric fencing. What truly makes this home unique is the equine amenities for the horse enthusiast. The large one-stall has space adequate for 2 to 3 horses. There's rubber mat flooring, power, and water. Adjacent to the one-stall is the 1.5-story tack shed with ample space for all your equipment. Behind the one stall and the tack shed sits a run-in style shed for your separate hay storage. The 2-acre paddock gives your horses a large area to roam around freely. When you're ready to train, there's a 100-foot by 125-foot sand riding ring equipped with multiple jumps.